Here is how to automatically append tags to orders placed through the Click and Collect fulfillment method. Start by opening your app settings. Click into the Global Click and Collect configuration settings. Scroll down to the Tags section. In this prompt field, you can add tag as string values. For this configuration, we will type in store pickup and click to Add Tag button. You can also choose tag to order with selected pickup date. Use this parameter field to establish date tag prefix. Also choose date tag format from here. You can easily add your preferred pickup day as an order tag. Also easily add time tag to order with selected pickup time slot. Use this parameter field to establish time tag prefix. Once you are satisfied your update, click the Save button. Additionally, we offers another option to automatically add tags based on the location chosen by the customer. To adjust these, open Locations page. Let's edit this pickup location. Scroll down to the Click and Collect section. Now find Tags field. Let me add Carnaby location and Tag 1 as location tags with comma separate. Once you confirm the tags, finalize your settings by clicking Save. Now let's go to front end and place the order. Refresh the cart page. As a customer, we select Click and Collect method. Choose Pick Location. Next, choose a pickup date along with an arrival time window from the populated slots. With our selection successfully submitted, let's complete the transaction by proceeding through the checkout. Fill out your details. Let's add credit card detail into payment method. Fill up your billing address details. Confirm the order by clicking Pay Now button.
Great.
The transaction has been completed successfully. To verify our automated tagging rules, return to your main Shopify admin screen and open your Orders page. Click and view the order which you placed. Scroll down. Here you can see that our app has automatically injected the location and global pickup tags. First one is location tag, next exact pickup date with format and prefix, pickup tag. Store pickup tag. Tag 1 from location. Time tag with prefix. And last one is the name of pickup day.